This is Burek, but this is with cheese. I'm on the highway 3 going to Zagreb, and I haven't had anything, and I'm actually almost exhausted because I'll tell you exactly what it is. But here I'm having something very traditional called Burek, and this time it's with cheese, and I wanted to try meat, but I've been eating lots of meat. So folks, here I am on the highway. Didn't want to get out of the highway because different pastry is quite tough. Looks like this.
It will be ready in a few minutes.
Thank you. It's wonderful. That cheese, like sour cream cheese, and I saw it being made yesterday, not the day before. In a bakery, very old and traditional bakery. It's called...
I will write you down.
Wonderful. Chorban.
Yes, something like that.
Okay. So that's a red meat soup, and it's really something very traditional and something very original to this part of the land. I can smell, so the spices are making the reddish, almost like a curry soup, and it's complemented with the bread. And usually you eat with the bread, right? Wonderful. Wonderful people. Chorban. So what a wonderful way to receive the guests. It's beautiful. The soup, meat soup. Cobanac. Cobanac. As you can see the meat pieces on there. It's almost like, just can't work out the name in English. They do this in a can. Beef stew. Beef stew this is. Let me just check the... I had that fantastic, I just want the Burek, which is Serbian. But then she said, if you really want, I can ask the chef. And she said, oh, you must, do you like meat? I said, I've been eating meat all the time last night. And I said, I didn't really want. But then the lady said, oh, I'll get you a bowl of beef soup, just a sample, just to try. And so here I am. I've tried it and it feels just like a beef stew. But if you're ever on the Zagreb to going on to Hungary, to Slovenia, to Serbia, Bosnia, that's the place you want to stop. Germania, tourist like me. What a wonderful people. They were giving me to try and taste and feel what it is. And it's fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. What a joy. I wish everybody had this wonderful feeling of honesty and care for each other, and we don't need all these nonsense that have been posted around the world, and we can't travel freely anymore, and I'll tell you later.